Islamic calendar, and it is obligatory for the Muslims to fast in the month of Ramadan. Here are some interesting facts that show the importance of Ramadan in Islam. Holy Quran was first revealed in the month of Ramadan. Fasting in the month of Ramadan is the fourth pillar of Islam among the five. Fasting helps to attain taqwa, which means performing of actions which please Allah and abstaining from them which displease Him. Ramadan is known to be the month of Quran. It is highly recommended in the month of Ramadan to read and study the Holy Quran and share with others. Umrah, especially in the last 10 days of this holy month. It is a very rewarding act to give iftar to those who are fasting. It is recommended to give zakat and sadaqah in the Ramadan. It is said in authentic hadith of Prophet Muhammad that fasting in the Ramadan sincerely out of faith and with the hope of reward. We will be forgiven all our previous sins. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Yash. My name is Meenakshi. I'm from 6th grade. Today we're going to do skit of Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam. How are you? I'm fine. Alhamdulillah. How about you? I'm fine too. Hey, what are you doing? I'm setting some amount aside for zakat. Zakat? What is zakat? Zakat is a taken from your wealth and distributed for charity. 2.5% of your wealth is donated every year to the poor and underprivileged people. This gift is done during the month of Ramadan. Wow, that's a noble thought. What else do you do in Ramadan? That's a good question. We offer prayer to God. Apart from the regular prayer, we offer extra prayer like tahajjud and tahajjud. Oh, okay. We recite the Holy Quran as much as we can. Okay. We also observe fasting during Ramadan. Fasting, you mean you don't eat? Roza or fasting is one of the basic pillars of Islam. We fast from dawn until sunset during this time. We don't drink and eat. Don't you feel weak if you fast? No. Actually, there are many health benefits of fasting. Really? Yeah. It's just not about burning calories. Roza or fasting is also about having self-control, having patience, trying to avoid bad actions, backbiting, etc. It is a moment to reflect and work on being better people. Wow, such a great thought. So friend, what are your plans for Eid? Am I invited or not? Of course dear friend, you are welcome. Plans for Eid ul-Fitr is waking up wearing finest clothes, attending Eid prayers, and after prayers, we spend the rest of the day with family, having delicious food. Hey, what about sheer kurma? You forgot about that? Yes, of course sheer kurma. Please do visit us and have a sheer kurma. Thank you friend. May Allah subhanallah reward you for all your good deeds and forgive all your